Hi, I'm Bluebee. This is 14 Days of Zines. Welcome to day 11. Today we are going adventure zineing. Today I'm going to Epcot, but you really could adventure zine anywhere. A coffee shop, a park where you could collect some nature pieces. Technically, all you need is some paper and a pencil, but let me show you what I have in my bag today for my quest. So first up, I have some colorful sheets of paper that I've already folded in half. By now, I'm sure you know that I really like colorful paper. Then I have a pencil case. I have a glue stick. I have some child safety scissors because I need to get through security, so I don't want to just take regular scissors with me. In my pencil case, I have an assortment of pens, highlighters, gel pens, Sharpie type markers, and some rolls of washi tape. I also have these adorable Miffy post-it notes that I got for my birthday. I have my camera with a thermal printer, so I can instantly get the photos to stick in the zine. It has sticker paper in it. Today, I want to make a My Favorite Things at Epcot zine. First thing I'm going to pick up is a park map. I think this will go well in the zine as a background. I'm going to pick up some papers, stickers, ephemera, that kind of thing as I go around the park to stick into the zine. Kind of like junk journaling, junk zineing maybe. There are lots of places in Epcot where I can pick things up that I can put in my zine. My favorite ride is Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. The line is pretty long right now, so we'll try again later. I'll keep an eye on the wait times. One place I love visiting is the aquarium. And they have these Finding Nemo booklets which have stickers in the middle. Perfect for my zine. I'll take some photos of the sharks, fish, manatees, and other creatures with my thermal camera too. I want to make this entire zine while I'm out today. While I'm at the aquarium, I have to pop into Turtle Talk with Crush. It's such a cute little
So I
show.
thought I'd swim over here and chat with you dudes, and then report back to Squirt. If you dudes can help me out, let me hear you say, Shaw. Shaw. Awesome dudes, you so totally rock. Dude. I love you too, Emma, dude. You can totally put your fin down, by the way. You don't have to hold your fin up there the whole time.
All right, onwards. I rode Soarin' over America a couple of weeks ago and really liked it. More than the regular Soarin' across the world, in fact. It's only here for a limited time, so I feel like this needs to be documented in the zine. It's a 35-minute wait, so I'm gonna hop in line. Oh yikes, a ton of rides went down and Soarin's line is now at 60 minutes. I guess we'll see how long it takes.
We'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
It ended up being about 45 minutes, so not too bad. Next up, Living with the Land. It says that it's 35 minutes, but the queue doesn't look that long at all. It's only been 10 minutes and I'm on the ride already. I love this relaxing boat ride through Disney's greenhouses.
The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. Popular fruit in the world. Wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet. Another innovation at work here. Only then will we truly be living with the land.
My phone battery really needs charging, and I brought a battery pack with me, but for some reason it is not working. So I need to find myself a power outlet. I've already picked up a bunch of ephemera, so I can start work on the zine while I wait for my phone to charge. I don't really have a good setup to show you while I'm working on the zine, but I'll give you a peek of the pages once I'm done with the first few. Okay, I've gotten a good start on a few of these pages. The aquarium page came together really nicely because I had all those extra stickers and images from the scavenger hunt booklet.
Hey, that rhyme!
Journey into Imagination with Figment It's not necessarily my favorite ride, but it's only a 5-minute wait, and I wanted to pop and see if I could get an autograph card anyway. So let's ride it.
With FIGMENT, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
This ride is so unhinged. Figment is kind of the unofficial mascot of Epcot, and I was able to grab one of these autograph cards from by his meet and greet. Now it's time to head on into World Showcase. I'm going to do a loop of World Showcase, and I'll stop in at a few of the countries to pick up KidCot postcards from the pavilions. I'm starting in Canada, and I'm going to pick up a UK KidCot postcard. It's right in here in the back of the toy soldier. Here it is. There's the postcard, and it has a sticker on it too. Next up, I'm headed into France. The KidCot station is in Leal, and I can't resist picking up a half baguette since I'm there. This bread is delicious. And here's the KidCot card and sticker that I picked up from France. A quick pit stop to enjoy my bread, and then we'll carry on around. The next stop that I'm making is in Japan. I really like going into the Mitsukoshi department store and looking at all the cute items they have there. And the KidCot station is all the way through in the back there anyway. The Japanese cast members giving out the cards was so cute. Here it is, the Japan KidCot card and sticker. Our next stop is in the American Adventure, and the main reason I love this pavilion is because they have awesome concerts, live music, and drawing classes at the American Gardens Theatre. So I have to visit the KidCot station here. They even have some live music on right now. Here's the American Adventure KidCot card and sticker. These KidCot cards are going to be great for my zine. I'm skipping through a few countries here: Italy, Germany, the Refreshment Outpost, China, Norway, and here we are in Mexico. I'll definitely be going in here. The Mexico Pavilion has a cute boat ride called Grand Fiesta Tour with the 3 caballeros. I guess I'm a sucker for a little boat ride, and this pavilion has really nice AC. So I tend to always stop in the Mexico Pavilion when I come to Epcot and I go around World Showcase. I made a stop at the Mexico KidCot station, and here is the card and sticker that I picked up. That was our last country in World Showcase and just about the last of the spots that I'm visiting today. So I'm going to stop at Odyssey because I know that there's some tables and chairs in there, and I'm going to finish up this zine. I'm not leaving the park until it's done. Here's the stuff I collected on round 2 of this adventure zine. I'm feeling happy with this zine. I think it's done. Nothing much left to do except head out of the park. Making copies. I made my zine in 2-page spreads, so I'm going to need to scan it in and organize the pages. Here's everything ready for printing, so let me make a copy and then I'll show you the final reveal. Part 6, final reveal. Part 7, thoughts. So as you can tell, today didn't really go fully to plan. The biggest fly in the ointment today was my battery charger unexpectedly not working, but that worked out okay. It gave me some time to work on my zine while I waited for my phone to charge. Wasn't exactly how I was planning on doing the day, but I think it worked out great to have a pit stop and get half of the zine under my belt, and then continue collecting some more ephemera and finishing the zine in a second session. I think next time I adventure zine, I might even do this on purpose. It saves having too big of a pile of things to sort through. Oh, and I also ran out of thermal paper. I should have packed an extra roll. I enjoyed the process of making the zine completely analog. There wasn't really a full plan for it. It was just whatever I could pick up for the day. I would like to try adventure zining somewhere else again. I have lots of other ideas for more adventure zines. It definitely reminds me somewhat of junk journaling, and I enjoy that. If nothing else, I had a fun day and made a zine about it. So what do you think? Would you try adventure zining? Where would you go? I'll be back tomorrow for day 12 of 14 Days of Zines. We're getting pretty close to the end now. Don't forget to subscribe to catch the last couple of episodes. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.